May 10 araw ang kampo ni Vice President Sara Duterte para sagutin ang mga impeachment complaint laban sa kanya na idineklara ng sufficient in substance ng House Committee on Justice. May report si Tina Panganiban Perez.
Sufficient in substance. So ruled.
Sa botong 54 yes, isang no at 0 abstentions, idineklara ng House Committee on Justice na sufficient in substance ang ikatlo at ikaapat na impeachment complaints laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, bribery at other high crimes ang kasama sa mga ground for impeachment ng dalawang reklamo. Isa sa mainit na tinalakay sa komite ang video ng bise sa pagbabanta sa buhay ng Pangulo, First Lady at ng dating House Speaker.
Ang allegation ay speech lamang. Walang alegasyon na may actual hitman na kinuha. Walang maipakitang may agreement nga o conspiracy na ipatupad dito. Wala rin naipakitang may payment o arrangement na ginawa in order to facilitate such statements. Wala rin maipakitang weapon procurement o alleged overt act.
That's wrong, Madam Chair. We are discussing on the sufficiency and substance and the irrelevant, illogical statements made in defense has no point because this is a direct threat to the life of the sovereign.
The NBI filed a case and they have the evidence. Now, that threats were conditional, is inconsequential. The mere act, Madam Chair, that she said these words and that she contracted an assassin is impeachable in itself.
Natalakay rin sa komite ang mali umanong paggamit ng confidential funds, pati na ang umano'y unexplained wealth ng bise.
To have a starting point, Madam Chair, the original SALE in 2008 is 18,493,617. It was filed December 31, 2008. For 2024, released by the Office of the Ombudsman, net worth of the Vice President is 88,512,370.22. We leave it to the House Committee on Justice to make a determination on whether the comparison between the original SALN at 2008 and the current SALN at 2024 constitutes unexplained wealth.
Is that particular SALN, has that been authenticated by the Ombudsman? Do you have a copy of authentication of the Ombudsman?
Honorable Ridon?
I don't think that is required. It is public record.
Public documents follow the self-authentication rule. They do not need further authentication.
Bibigyan ng komite ang bise ng 10 calendar days para magsumite ng kanyang sagot. Pagkatapos niyan, may 3 calendar days ang mga complainant para sumagot. Kasunod niyan ang paghahain naman ng bise ng rejoinder sa loob din ng 3 calendar days. Ang defense team ni Vice President Duterte, sinabing susuriin nila ang mga naging aksyon ng komite at mga record ng proceedings. Hindi raw muna nila tatalakayin sa media ang nilalaman ng kaso at sasagutin ito sa tamang constitutional process. Tina Panganiban Perez, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.